If you want to cancel Autopay and Hostinger, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a fast and simple way. Whether you're trying to stop an upcoming renewal, avoid being charged for a plan you no longer need, or just take control of your hosting subscriptions, this tutorial will show you exactly what to do inside your Hostinger account. And if this kind of tutorial helps you save time and avoid unnecessary charges, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, log into your Hostinger account using your email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll want to look at the left-hand menu. This is where Hostinger keeps most of the account and billing options, so take your time if you're following along. Next, click on Billing from the left menu. This section is where all of your payment-related settings live, including invoices, renewals, and active services. If you have multiple products or plans on your account, this is the best place to manage them all in one spot. After that, go to Subscriptions. Here, Hostinger will show you the list of plans or services that are currently attached to your account. This could include web hosting, cloud hosting, domains, or any other recurring service you've purchased. Now select the plan you want to stop autopay on. If you have more than one subscription, make sure you choose the correct one so you don't turn off renewals for the wrong service. Double-check the name of the plan, the billing cycle, and the renewal date if needed. Once you've opened the right plan, look for the Auto Renew option. This is the setting that tells Hostinger to automatically charge you when your subscription period ends. To cancel autopay, turn off Auto Renew. In some accounts, this may appear as a toggle switch, while in others it may be a button or a linked setting inside the subscription details. When Hostinger asks you to confirm the change, go ahead and confirm it. This step is important because it finalizes the cancellation of automatic renewal. Without confirming, the setting may not actually be saved, so always make sure you complete the prompt. After that, your autopay should be turned off for that specific subscription. That means Hostinger will no longer automatically renew that plan when the billing cycle ends. If you still want to keep using the service until the expiration date, that usually stays active until the current term runs out. So turning off auto renew doesn't always mean immediate cancellation of service. It usually just stops future charges. It's also a good idea to go back and verify the status of the subscription after you've made the change. Make sure the auto renew setting is showing as off, disabled, or canceled, depending on how Hostinger displays it in your account. That extra check can save you from unexpected renewals later. If you manage multiple services inside Hostinger, repeat the same process for any other plan that you want to stop renewing automatically. Again, just make sure you are selecting the correct subscription each time. And that's it. You've now learned how to cancel autopay in Hostinger in just a few quick steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides, hosting tutorials, and website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.